Hi, my name is Mr. Ailes. I'm the instructor in the Collision Repair and Refinishing program here at the Northwest Campus, and I want to welcome you, students and parents, to our program. I'm going to give you just a little bit of an overview of the program here in this video, and at the end I'm going to give you an invitation. I've been in collision repair and refinishing for most of my life, well, all of my career. I actually started here at the Northwest Campus as a student when I was in high school. This is my 15th year teaching, but in between high school and teaching, I spent about 18 years full-time in the industry as a painter and as a heavy collision repair technician. And so the goal here as a teacher, what I really love about my job is that I can take some of the things that I've learned and help students be able to identify whether this is something that they'd like to pursue as a career in the automotive field. I have working with me an assistant. His name is Mr. Cantrell, and he has decades of experience as well. He's worked for General Motors and also has owned his own shop for decades. And so he is here to assist students to be able to learn professional skills. Behind us, we have an advisory committee, a board that we meet with at least twice a year, who help us to be able to make good informed decisions about young people entering the industry. What kinds of things do students need to know in order to be successful in our industry? Our advisory committee is made up of shop owners, managers, technicians from all over the region, as well as representatives from General Motors and other auto manufacturers, dealer groups, and more. They're all here to advise us, to advise the program, to help us to stay current, and have a way for young men and women to enter the industry if that's what they would choose to do. Here in collision repair, students can learn professional level skills from industry professionals using professional tools, equipment, pro MIG welders, pro spray guns, state-of-the-art spray booth, and more. We're an ASE certified program, and we offer national certifications to our students so that when they enter the industry, they've kind of got a little bit of a head start. Beginning of the year, we're going to start with the basics, such as identifying or understanding a vehicle, using tools, identifying tools, and of course, safety. Mom's unwritten rule that your son or daughter has to be unburnt, unbroken, unsmashed every day. That said, we're going to work really hard and we're going to have a lot of fun. This is a hands-on program. That's why I teach it. That's why students sign up for this program. So everything that we do is going to be geared at making sure students are prepared to work hands-on in an industry that is really, really starving for talented young technicians. So with that, I'm going to invite you to join me for a few more minutes. I'll do my best to answer as many questions as possible to make sure that your student is prepared for class, able to participate in class, and is successful here in collision repair.